Jimmy Wanjigi, lawyer Ekuru Aukot, and legendary gospel singer Reuben Kigame say they will move to court to seek injunction barring the IEBC's decision to block them from the August 9th presidential ballot. The three aspirants maintain IEBC failed to follow the law in arriving at its decision and now wants the court, through interpretations of various clauses, force the electoral body to vacate their decision, which they maintain violates their fundamental freedom, rights, and as our reporter Henry Tende now files.
United in sadness and during rejection, district businessman Jimmy Wanjigi, lawyer Ekuru Aukot, and gospel singer Reuben Kigame have stated categorically they are escalating their duel with the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) to the corridors of justice. The three, whose presidential candidatures were thrown out by IEBC for failing to satisfy the requirements of the commission, now wants the court to revert the decision. The trio insist IEBC erred in its decision, saying they were dismissed without being accorded a fair hearing. The Wanjigi cohort also maintained the IEBC dismissed their bid on frivolous allegations in total disregard to the rule of law, a move they reiterate violates their fundamental rights.
In 2010, we passed a new constitution, believing that we have got new rights embedded that people have fought for, believing people had died for. And we were very proud of that new constitution. And our prayer come the 2013 election was that there will be an ushering in of a new government that would ensure that the inalienable rights of that new constitution were going to be adhered to. And that the government that was coming into place in 2013 was going to be a government that was pro-reform to that constitution. It is evident to all of us today that this is a government that decided at the beginning it is going to claw back what we envisaged as the gains of the 2010 Constitution.
On the 28th of May 2017, IEBC issued me with a certificate to run as president. Last Sunday, IEBC denied me that certificate on the excuse that my degree certificate is not certified. Isn't that laughable? So I think we are dealing with an institution here that, first of all, is clearing the wrong candidates just because they do not want alternative voices like Wills has said.
We will use the law to challenge every single decision that IEBC will make. But we do believe that if IEBC is minded to apply the law, we should not even, they should be inviting us at this point that we made a mistake, come we correct it. They should not wait for us to appear before them, because they have applied this law. They have been parties to court cases where this law was applied. They cannot turn at this particular point, but we will vigorously fight it in court until the end.
The three presidential hopefuls have additionally accused the electoral body of discrimination and an open preference of some of the aspirants in the race. This, they say, defeats their gain on democratic rights and totally paints the commission as a partial referee.
I have been included on the ballot before. But why this particular time? I rest it all on one person called Wafula Wanyonyi Chebukati and the commissioners and the entire body of the IEBC. Chebukati and IEBC are the most discriminating entity in this country.
We are not going to tire. We are not going to allow our country to be mistreated like somebody's chattel, or we're not going to allow individuals to hide behind institutions. Personally, I'm going to make a case against each and every of those commissioners, because people cannot make decisions that are injurious to a country, to people, and then hide behind an institution called IEBC.
Wanjigi, Ekuru, and Kigame have also blamed forces within the Jubilee administration of frustrating alternative leadership in the country.
Chebukati refused to receive my signatures. And we asked for a meeting. He granted us on the 5th in order to resolve this. And I have witnesses in that room. He says that I understand your case, but my hands are tied. I would like to know who is tying Chebukati's hands. Which law is tying Chebukati's hand if it's a law?
And we want to tell the current head of state, you shall not succeed. You shall not succeed in muffling the voice of the people and giving the people the voice that they want to speak for them on the ballot. You will not succeed.
Jimmy Wanjigi maintains the decision by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, to deny him a chance at this year's presidential election is against the law. He maintains he is heading to the court to allow his name be on the ballot come August 9th this year. Henry Tende, Look Up TV.